ohmathgad.
Oh my god, everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to continue working on how to evaluate algebraic expressions with cost. So in this type of problems that we're going to be seeing today, we're going to be given an amount of price per product, and then whenever we want to evaluate the algebraic expression, right, we're going to first write it down, right? How can we write it down? We write the price of the product multiplied by the variable, and that variable is going to represent the amount that you buy. Then whenever you're given an amount, right, you're just going to substitute. So let's take a look at today's problem. So the prices per pound of 3 different nuts are shown in the table below. Write an expression that can be used to find the total cost of A pounds of almonds, C pounds of cashews, and M amounts of macadamia nuts, right? And then we have a follow-up question that asks us, how much will it cost if Lizzie wants to buy 2.5 pounds of cashews, 0.20 pounds of macadamia nuts, and 3/4 pounds of almonds, right? So guys, the first thing that we have to remember is that the total cost, right, is always going to be the price, for example, in this case, the price of almonds by the amount we buy. In this case, we buy A amount, right? Because they are asking us the total cost of A amount of almonds, plus the cost of, in this case, cashews, which is 350, multiplied by the amount, which in this case is C, plus the M amount, in this case $25, times the pound in pounds, which is M, right? So that means that the algebraic expression is 9.7a plus 13.5c plus 25m, right? Now, they're asking us how much will it cost if Lizzie wants to buy a specific amount of cashews and a specific amount of macadamia nuts and a specific amount of almonds, right? We're just going to substitute. So we have 9.7 and Lizzie bought 3/4 pounds of almonds. So instead of A, we write 3 divided by 4 because we're substituting. Then 13.5 multiplied by the amount of cashews. She bought 2.5 pounds of cashews. And then the 25 multiplied by the amount of macadamia nuts, which in this case she bought 0.2 or 0.20 pounds, right? And then we're just gonna solve it. So 9.7 multiplied by 3 is going to be an amount of 29.1, and whenever we divide that by 4 is going to be approx $7.27, plus then we have 13.5 multiplied by 2.5, and whenever we do that, that's going to be 33.75. And then last but not least, we have 25 times 0.2, which is $5. So $5 in macadamia nuts. And then we're just gonna add all the numbers. So $5 plus 33.75 plus $7.27, and that is going to give us a grand total of $46.02 whenever Lizzie buys. So as you can see, we found the answer, but we were also able to express an algebraic equation to see the total cost after buying cashews, almonds, and macadamia nuts. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So feel free to rewatch the video and redo the problem. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!